Editing videos can take hours, but what if it only took seconds? Meet Higgsfield Recast, the AI power tool that transforms any video while keeping the motion, lightning, and emotion perfectly real. Our main focus, the recast feature, lets you swipe characters, change styles, and completely reimagine your story with just one prompt. So let's get started. So first I am on this Higgsfield website. This will be the interface once you just create account and you can just simply go with that. Now if we see, first we will go with the interface. Up on the up we have this image section. From here you can create images, you can design your story scenes, I'd create unique character, edit images, image scale, face swap, character swap, and all these things. It also have the nano banana image editing. And next it will be the video. You can generate AI videos like this, you can create VFX, you can lip sync studio, you can create talking clips, you can draw to video, and you have this video upscale option and all these. And in the edit section you can use these features as well. You can edit your things. And next we have the character feature. It has face swap, all these things, and all these. Now if I scroll down, I have the all these features right here. You can just simply select the template you like. For example, if I see I like this template, so I will just hit generate and it will show you this interface. Now these are my last created videos. So if I want to create, I will just simply click change, and you can just change your template if you want to. I will just go with this. And now we need to import two images. First will be the start frame and second will be the end frame. So I will just click on start frame, and for start frame I can just simply use this image like this, and for the end frame I can use this image like this. And if you want to add some more things into this, you can just simply click on this prompt and you can make your own prompt and now if we move to the model, this will be the model. You can use any model you want. I will just go with this. You can just choose open sora, google vo3 fast, and all these things. I will just go with this, and now you can just simply hit generate. Now once this is being created, you can just see we have a draw to video feature, scat to video feature, and also we have the Sora to trends and apps. And now if we see, our video has been created. So if I just play it, it will give us this smooth transition. It doesn't look fake or edited. If you see the original one, this was the original one, a very cool transition. And if you want, you can just simply make another one. Like I will just go and try another one too. So I have this image, and if I move to image, I have already created these images, so I will just download and use them. So once I am here, I will just go back here, and now I can just simply make sure to select the one I like. So I will just choose this rotation, 3D rotation one, and now I will click here to delete these images. Now I will just click generate again. I will just upload images. So if I see I like this image, so I will just open it, and for the end frame I will just move with this one. And if you want, you can just simply give the prompt as well. And if you want to download this previous video, you can just simply click this download button and it will automatically download it. So as you can see, our video is created. Look at the transition. It for the first image, then you can see how smooth it was with the hair and all these things. So for using this, you can just simply try these hundreds, or we have a lot of these features right here. You can just see the thunder god one also, and all these. So you can create your own professional videos and it won't look fake or edited like this. These are looking very professional. Now if I move to the next, the most important feature is the swap character with any video. So by using this, you can create you can swap characters in any of the video you want to. So for example, I just first I will provide it the video. For example, I will just provide it a stock footage of this one, and now we will have to provide it a image of a desired character. So I will just go here and I will just give it this character hit button, so it will automatically generate our video. Now so I will just hit generate video. And if we see, we can also start a new one. And if I go to the view history section, these are the ones I created before, all the things. So this is being created. This one want to do the short, and so I this use this. So the last one I created was this one to create for the characters. If I play it, it will be like this. There was a video, so and you can just simply see it transformed a boy into a girl, and it's not looking fake. It's looking very real. So once this is created, the original one, I will just show you. So as you can see, our video is created. So this is the output, and this was the final video, the original video, and you can see this is the output. This doesn't look fake or anything editing or just face swap. You can see it's the full character and all this. So you can see you can generate many more, and you can just hit download and it will automatically download. So this is the very good feature. I like this feature very much. And now I can just show you another feature of this images, and I can show you how you can generate custom prompts to generate images like this. As you can see the quality of these images, you can see the quality of these images, they are perfect. So we will use ChatGPT for this. So I want to create a product image, or you can say of a water bottle. So a character holding water bottle. So I will just give ChatGPT a prompt. So the prompt will be write me a prompt to generate image of a model. So I will just give this a prompt, and it will provide you a professional prompt you can go with. So this is the prompt. I can just simply click here, copy, and now I will move in this image section. As you can see, this image section and generate images. And from here, I will just delete the old prompt and paste it like this. So I will delete this, and I will just delete this one. I will just go with the prompt like this. And from here, you can select any model you want to. I will just go with this one, and you can just simply also click unlimited, and you can just also change the visual style from here, like Instagram aesthetics, beauty mode, and all these. And I will just go with general, and you can hit generate. So as you can see, the images are generated. You can just simply go here and hit on animate. Also, you can just simply click here and download them, and then just go to video. It will start to convert this image into a video. Like here, you can just simply change the this from here. You can choose any trending one, or you can just simply hit on prompt and change this from here, and then hit generate. It will automatically generate it. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to check out this Higgsfield feature. I will provide all the links in the description below. So I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.